Yes, an idea came to my mind, and it has to do with giving PO the chance to go to the National Assembly. The idea is coming based on the void created by the death of Senator Ifeanyi Ubah. I say, may his soul rest in peace, and may the good Lord grant the family the fortitude to bear the loss. However, there is a void. And I was just thinking that the closer we get PO to the top, the more he sees what is happening. So he gets to the National Assembly. Let him tell us how he wants to change the total pay package of the National Assembly. And the other one is how he wants to change the 1999 Constitution to work for Nigerians. You see, they say where you stand depends on where you see. The analogy is about you being in a compound and you're on the ground floor. You can't see what is behind the fence. You go to the first floor, you can see more than the person on the ground floor. You go to the second floor, the clearer you see what is behind the fence. And you go, the higher you go, the more you see. So let's get him closer to that top and let him see. Let him come up with strategy on how to even make changes at that level. Nigeria has its own peculiarity. What do you have? How do you hope to solve those problems? I was just thinking, let's give him that chance. Thank you.